Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. Welcome to Smarter Beauty. My name is Jess and I do lots of cruelty-free beauty things here on my channel, cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on social media. My links are here on the screen and also in the description box. So for today's video, I'm going to be playing with some new things from an indie brand called Likely Makeup. And let's get into this video. We're gonna play with some new indie makeup and I am super excited. Let's do this. So I've missed you guys. I am finally back. Oh my goodness, it's been way too long. Hello to the new backgrounds. I hope you guys like it. A lot of you voted on the community tab and wanted a more organic background, so we're doing it old school. We got a candle lit. It's all good. We got some cozy vibes going on here, so I hope you guys like it. You might hear a different sound quality. I actually purchased and invested in a microphone for my camera, so I hope you guys hear me a lot better. I hope the sound is a lot better. Sometimes you'll hear the heat kick on in the background. I can't really do anything about that. I'm so sorry. Anyways, without enough yabbering, I thought we could just, play with some new makeup, chat about, what's been going on. So a little bit about Likely Makeup. If you don't know Jordy from YouTube, I'll link her channel down below and also the website, but she started her own little company and I'm so excited to see what she comes out with next. And as soon as I saw this palette, I just knew I had to get it. So I'll do an up-close shot of 3 items I purchased with my own money. And of course, as soon as I placed my order, they had a 20% off sale a few days later. So, that's my luck for you. So I placed my order quite a while back and it took a while to get to me. It was shipped from Canada because I believe she lives in Canada and her business is in Canada. Presentation beautiful. I just want to do an up close shot of the box. It says Likely on the front, which I think is adorable. It has that sort of barbed wire heart. The whole theme of this brand is just gorgeous. It has these little purple wormy thingies on the inside. Everything was wrapped really nicely. Nothing was damaged. Alright, so the first thing we're going to play with today is the Fairy Blush Palette. This retails for $23 and this comes with a total of 20 grams of product. So there's 5 grams of product per pan. This palette is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and vegan as well, which is awesome. So the shades we have in here, we have Aquamarine, which is this beautiful teal green type color. This peachy shade is called Sunstone. And then we have Rose Quartz, which is that bright pink. And then the purple shade is Amethyst. I almost forgot to take off the film. Let's do that right now. Ooh, that was so smooth. Ooh, I love that feeling. Ooh, nice mirror. I mean, look at that. That is a nice mirror, my folks. So I did pick one pair of lashes. A lot of them were sold out, unfortunately, so I went with these ones. These are the Sleepy Starlit lashes. They just came in a little plastic sleeve, and once again, this is a cardboard box. It's really cute. It says Likely on the front with this pretty kind of matte black packaging. It is cardboard, but it's like a matte black finish, and I like that the name is on the side of the box. It just says Sleepy Starlit, and on the back it says put me back in my box, keep me safe, wear me 25 times. So I love that. And once again, these are cruelty free. And then the last item I purchased was a lash applicator. I really needed a new pair of lash applicators, and these ones are really nice. I have to say I haven't used them yet, but I have held them, just kind of play with them a little bit. They feel really expensive. They feel really high-end. These retail for $8. They come in 2 different shades. There's a sort of greenish teal color and then also a pink color. I went with the blue pair. I'm gonna start with the pink shade first. I'm just gonna dip my brush. I will have all the products that I'm wearing, you guys, down below. I'm not getting a ton of kick up, but my brush is picking up the product. Alright, I'm just gonna start applying this. Ooh! Oh wow, that's got some pigmentation. I'm just gonna pull this through the crease and just see how pigmented these are. Since this is the first impression, I'm being a little bit cautious on how much I'm picking up on my brush. Nice soft kind of bubblegum pink. Ooh, my skin, you guys, is so bad right now. Like, I have got so much dryness. Just don't pay attention to my crusty dry face and crusty dry lips. Now, she also came out with another blush. I think it was called the Clown Blush palette that came out before this one. That one had a lot of really rich, deep colors that just not really my cup of tea. I probably won't get that one. I don't know. I just know I really wanted this one because the colors in here just, they speak to my soul. Okay, so far these are blending really nice. I'm actually pretty impressed. So how are you guys doing? I feel like I should say hello. I am so sorry for my absence. Things just kept going wrong. I wanted to switch things up and I was waiting for my microphone to come in the mail, and then I had to like play around with that and the settings, and it's been a very eventful last couple of weeks, but I am back, I am here, and I'm super excited. I have so many fun videos coming your way, and I'm super excited for 2020. Like, the drugstore brands, like, have you seen the new releases from Milani? Oh my goodness. I wish I could just buy everything, but I did actually just order some stuff from Ulta, and I'm super excited. I'm not going to tell you what I ordered. I'm going to take a little bit of Sunstone. I'm going to apply this to the front part of the eye. Just kind of, I'm going to kind of dab this on. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to put this on the lid. Yep, I'm going to put this on the lid and then kind of blending it up into the pink. Alright, I'm going to take the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush and take more of that Sunstone and just try to like see if I can pack this on the lid. This is definitely a very light. This is definitely much lighter and more like almost translucent. Alright, I'm going to go into that purple shade, which is Amethyst. I'm just going to start packing this on the lower lash line. About halfway, because I want to use the blue on the inner part, and then I'm going to do the purple on the outer part here. Ooh, oh, that's so pretty. And I'm just going to kind of flick my brush up, kind of blending the pink and the purple together. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit more of that purple, the Amethyst, and start applying this to the lid, since that peachy shade wasn't as intense as I wanted it to be. Alright, now we're going to add some of that beautiful aquamarine. And I'm just going to apply that right on the inner part on the lower lash line. So, have you guys watched Broken? It's on Netflix. The very first episode is talking about counterfeit makeup. If you guys haven't watched it yet, I definitely recommend you guys check it out. It was very fascinating to learn about like how bad counterfeit makeup is, you know, like the fake makeup. Like they found traces of like rat feces and like urine and like just really awful chemicals. Some people are putting super glue into liquid lipsticks. Yes, it was just crazy. They really highlighted indie brand makeup because it's, you know, a smaller brand, and a lot of people are switching to, you know, indie makeup because it's cruelty free. It's, you know, people trust it more, and it was just really exciting. I definitely think that indie makeup is gonna really just push through and become just really big. I really hope so, because there's so many really awesome, you know, smaller indie brands, and I feel like sometimes the quality is like way better than high end. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys check it out. It's really interesting learning about all of that. Alright, I think that's everything I want to do for the eyes in terms of using this palette. I want to add a little bit of sparkle. Gimme Glow highlighter. This is for the face, but I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. It's called Platinum Lilac. Oh yeah, I love highlighting that inner corner. It just always makes a look just pop. So for the actual blush, I think I'm going to start off with that Sunstone color that I think will be so pretty as a blush. So I'm going to start applying a little bit of this I'm actually gonna apply my blush kind of high. I do want to make this look wearable, so I'm not gonna go like, I don't think I'm gonna go too crazy with this. All right, and then I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the pink because I think that'll look really pretty. Just dipping a tiny bit because I have a feeling this pink is gonna be really crazy. And I also like that these blushes are matte because sometimes shimmer can just add too much like texture to the skin, but I love that these are like nice and matte. So for the waterline, I'm just gonna take my Essence Nude. And then for the upper waterline, I wanna do black. I cannot for the life of me, you guys, find that stupid pencil from Real Hair Cosmetics. I don't know how I lost it. I still cannot find it. So I've been using this one from Alani. It's Supreme Kohl Gel Liner. And this is gonna be hard to do on camera, but basically I'm just gonna lift up my lash and go right in and tight line. Oh, that is the most uncomfortable makeup thing that I don't like. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of my NYX matte liquid liner, and I don't know if I'm gonna do a wing, but I know I need to at least line my upper lashes. Okay, so for highlighter, I thought I would use this one from Gimme Glow as well. It's called Snow Angel. This is in their permanent range, but it's a loose highlighter, and this one's pretty because it's not a particular color. It's kind of like a angelic white dusting of angelic glow. And I just tap a little bit into the lid, swirl my brush, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy with the highlight because I don't want to take away from that beautiful blush. Let's put a little on my Cupid's bow, a little on the tip of the nose. All right, so now that we have that on, we can go ahead and set the face. I'm just gonna use my hangover spray. Okay, and oh, mascara. How did I forget mascara? I just love that I can reach back here now and I don't have to go into my other room and carry stuff in here. I just have everything here waiting for me. It's kind of nice. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some of the Lash Warrior mascara. All right, and we're gonna let that completely dry before we put on the lashes, which I'm super excited. So I think because my skin is just so dry, you guys, I'm just going to apply a little bit of like gloss and maybe a tiny bit of lipstick. This one's from e.l.f. It's called Touch of Pink. A tiny bit of this. And this is the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss in Pink Cosmo. And I'm just gonna pop this over top. I'm feeling a little spontaneous. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of amethyst. Like dipping in once or twice, and I'm going to add just a tiny bit of the purple. All right, let's try out the lashes. I'm a little nervous. I hope that these look good. Let's go ahead and get out the tool. So you just pull this little tab here. I like that. I like that design. It's a little easier to just pop these out. And here's what they look like up close. So I'm just gonna give these a little wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Oh yeah, see how they grip the lash? Oh, that's nice. So I'm just gonna measure and make sure that these aren't too long, like hanging off. So here's what it looks like without being trimmed. Before I trim it, I want you guys to see how much is hanging off of here. Quite a bit. I'm gonna have to cut off quite a bit actually. All right, I'm just gonna speed through this, you guys, and I'm just gonna use my Kiss eyelash glue. I've yet to find another glue to replace this or to find something better. So here's the finished look, nice and up close. So here's an up close look at the lashes. So my final thoughts and my first impressions on Likely makeup, I give it a huge thumbs up. I'm really in love with everything. I'm super, super, super happy. I would say out of everything, this is my favorite, obviously. I love how these blushes blended as eyeshadows. They blend into each other so nicely. Hardly any kick up in the pan, no fallout onto my face. They just really melt into the skin so nicely. Really impressed with this blush palette. I will definitely be using this a lot and reaching for it a lot. The Lash Applicators, obsessed. Made it super, super easy to apply the lashes. So I definitely recommend if you buy these, keep that little stopper so that they stay together like that, and then just put it back into the case. I mean, how cute is that? That is genius, absolute genius. Overall, I do like the lashes. They were easy to apply. They weren't overly difficult. I feel like the band is a little bit thicker, so if you're not used to that, you may not like these type of lashes. I do, again, love the packaging. So time is only gonna tell on whether or not these hold up and I can wear them 25 times. We'll have to see. But so far, so good. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I feel like these are gonna look really nicely if you have winged liner on, because the band is thicker and it's black. Really impressed with this brand. I'm so excited to see what Likely makeup comes out with next. And yeah, that is everything, you guys. I really like how this look turned out. Have you guys tried Likely makeup products yet? Leave a comment down below. I want to know. And of course, as always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll try to link everything that I'm wearing on my face today in the description box. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and it's so good to be back. Feels good. I'm feeling good. It's 2020 and I have lots of videos coming your way. So I hope you guys are excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on social media. My links are here on the screen, my little pop-up, or you can find my links below in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.